Let's take one more question. Credit balance as per cash book. As on 31st December 2016, 8,000. Check deposited but dishonored 1,600. Bill discounted but dishonored 1,700. Check issued for 1,800 to supplier but recorded by accountant of the firm as 180. Prepare bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2016. So first item, credit balance as per cash book. C from credit and C from cash book. CC. CC means negative balance. You know, Deputy Commissioner and Commissioner of Police, they are positive balance, and CC is naturally negative balance. This CC and BC and DC I have already explained you in my previous episode. So credit balance as per cash book is always negative balance. So that will be shown on the minus side. Credit balance as per cash book as on 31st December 2016, 8,000 in minus items. Now let's take up next item, checks deposited but dishonored 1,600. It means we received a check from some party 1,600, and you know, whenever we receive the check, we immediately show it as a bank receipt in our cash book bank column, and the check is immediately sent to the bank. And the same thing happened. We received the check, we entered in the debit side, receipt side of the cash book bank column, and this check was immediately sent to the bank, means deposited in the bank. But the check got dishonored. Check got dishonored means our bank couldn't collect money from the bank of that party. There are many reasons. Maybe there was some wrong date, wrong amount. Maybe there was no sufficient balance in the account of our party. There can be any reason. If our bank cannot collect money from the bank of other party, the bank, means our bank, will never give us any deposit. And this was the error. It was not basically error, and this was the reason of difference. Means passbook was showing nothing, but cash book was showing plus 1,600. Just let me tell you, whenever there is check dishonored, bank immediately sends the message to the customer that your check has been dishonored. So we can safely assume that the bank sent the message, but the accountant of the firm missed this very important message, and it was not noted down in the cash book. So this was the reason of difference. So come to the graphic, T graphic. The question has started from cash book, and we will reach the balance as per passbook. So cash book to passbook. So our arrow will start from cash book and will reach his passbook. It means cash book was showing plus 1,600, but passbook was showing 0. So what should be added or deducted from cash book that we can reach 0? That will be 1,600, means minus 1,600. This will be our answer. So answer will be minus 1,600. So write down check deposited but dishonored 1,600 on minus side. Now bill discounted but dishonored 1,700. You know about bill of exchange? If we receive any bill from any party, bill means a written promise to pay you money after some time. Maybe we got a bill, written promise from our customer, and he promised to pay us this money after 3 months, and we immediately took the bill to the bank and got the bill discounted. Means this bill was for 1,700. Maybe 3 months ago we got 1,600 or 1,500, whatever it is. We are not concerned about this thing. But on due date, our bank needs money from the customer, that is 1,700. If our customer doesn't reach the bank and doesn't pay the required amount to clear the bill, bank immediately will recover money from our account. And the same thing happened because the bill got dishonored. It means the customer didn't pay against the bill, and bank took 1,700 from our account and gave us the message. But the accountant of the firm couldn't get this message. So let's see what was happening in the passbook. Passbook was showing minus 1,700 and cash book was showing nothing because the accountant didn't know about this happening. So what should be added or deducted from the cash book so that the total on both sides can be minus 1,700? And the answer is 1,700. So this is our answer, minus 1,700. So come to the bank reconciliation statement. Bill discounted but dishonored 1,700 on minus side. Now check issued for 1,800 to supplier but recorded by the accountant, means accountant of the firm, as 180. It means in the cash book it was written down as 180. Be careful. Whenever there is this type of error by the accountant, the trial balance cannot agree. Anyhow, this was the clear-cut error by the accountant of the firm. Means when the check was issued, cash book was showing minus 180 because they treated as 180. But when the check was presented by the supplier at our bank, the bank immediately paid 1,800 to the supplier because the check was for 1,800. So passbook was showing minus 1,800 but cash book was showing 180. So now what should be added or deducted in the cash book so that we can reach the balance of passbook? And the balance of passbook is 1,800 and the answer is 1,620. This is the answer, and in this way the total on both sides will be minus 1,800. So come on the bank reconciliation statement. Check issued for 1,800 to supplier but recorded by accountant of the firm as 180, and on minus side minus 1,620. The total on plus items 0, the total on minus items 12,920. I have already told you, if the total of minus items is higher, the answer will be overdraft as per. Means this is the negative balance or unfavorable balance, and the question started as per cash book and the answer will be as per passbook. So overdraft as per passbook will be 12,920. This will be our answer.